Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lori with DIY Wedding Designs. Today's DIY is for this rose bouquet. So some peach and lavender roses there and some pearls on top and a really pretty brooch there on the handle. To save time, I listed the materials below in the description so we can get started right away so you don't click away. Let's go! First of all is going to be our roses. This is going to be my center rose, this peach one with the sparklies on it, so pretty. I have 3 of these smaller peach roses and then 3 of these lavender roses. And what I did with the roses, first of all, is wrap them in the green floral wrap, and that does 2 things. First, this was white. These were white stems on there, so they definitely had to be wrapped so they didn't show. But also it helps them stick together a little bit because that floral tape is so sticky. So I always start with the center flower, and then you kind of crisscross from there a little bit to the bottom, crisscross like that, and then it helps the flowers. Oh, and I also did bend these out a little bit. All of those except the center flower, bend them just a little bit. So you're going to start with the center and then kind of crisscross. You can see crisscross the stems as you put them together. I'm going to add some pearl accents. They come like this in a bunch. They have like a loop with some pearls. It's this long wire, so I cut a bunch of the wire off and then take the rest of the wire and bend it up and twist it so it looks like that. And then, like I said, I'm trying to get away from hot glue. Been burned enough, so Eileen's tacky glue works really good, and that's all you need for something like this. So I put a good amount on there because you do want it to stick good. And then find 2 petals that are kind of close together so that it stays also, you want to kind of have it stable besides gluing it. So just kind of find 2 petals and you squeeze it together there and let it dry. It's going to need a second to dry. Do the bottom of the holder. These are the cardboard tubes I got from Amazon, but you could also use a paper towel holder if you wanted. And then this is a circle I cut out of the 2.5-inch ribbon and cut some little notches in that, and then it goes better. It makes it smoother onto the holder. And then this is what I'm using instead of hot glue. It's a tape runner like you would use for like cards or scrapbooking. Cards and scrapbooking. It's for paper, but it works really good. I've done it a lot of times now and it works really good. So you're just gonna gotta push on it a little bit. I hope you can see this. All the way around. And I do also put a little bit on here, like just maybe on the fabric a little bit. You don't even need much on there. Do that. Oops, it's sticky. But at least I'm not burning myself. That's right, I just get sick of hot glue, getting burned all the time. And next I'm going to do the rest of the holder. And again, I'm going to use this adhesive. I got to start it sometimes. But start at the top there and go all the way down. Slippery, but you can make it work. You can do just a few stripes down the use some of this batting. Batting is like what you put inside of quilts. It's like from quilting projects that I've had. But if you don't have that, you can use paper towel. In fact, if you used a paper towel holder for that, you'll have some extra paper towel. And then this is just wrapped around the stems. This keeps it inside of the holder better, kind of thickens it up and makes it stay a little bit better. For the last step is our brooches. I have to show you, these are so awesome. These are from Amazon. They're like heavy duty. They're really nice. There was $12 for these 12, and then they throw in a one that says gift on it. So 13 of these for $12, and they're not cheap. They're metal, and these are all different. They're just really pretty and good quality, I think. But anyway, they do have the pin part on the back like that, because they are supposed to be brooch pins. So you do have to cut that part off, which is what I did here. Just cut the metal part off. And then anyway, I have to, maybe I won't get burned. I'm going to hang on to it by this center stone here. All right. There's our finished bouquet. Pretty roses on top there, and the pearls, and the brooch there right on the handle. Hopefully you made one right along with me. If you like the video, please consider subscribing so I can keep making videos. My next ones are going to be a wrist corsage and a boutonniere for each of my bouquets. So thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you next time.